Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Makartt Nail Drill JD700. So let's open this up, and here's the instruction manual. And in here we have some basic instructions on how you will open and close the drill, and I will get into that later. Alright, so here's the main part of the drill, and the speed control is a sliding dial that goes back and forth, and we have a hand option and a foot option. We have a forward and reverse, and this is where you're going to put your handheld part, and this is where the foot pedal goes. And so here's the foot pedal, and so this cord is about 5.5 feet long, and then the cord to the main part of the drill is about 5 feet long, and it's just your standard US cord. So here is the handheld drill itself, and the cord has 3-prong things on it. I don't know what you call them, but yeah, they're 3-prong. And then we have this little holder in it so your drill doesn't fall. And so you just want to make sure that when you're putting this cord in there, that you're putting it in the right way, and it should go in there easy. If it doesn't, then that means you're putting it in the wrong way and you could ruin the drill and the cord. So just make sure you do that part right. And I'm just going to show you guys how the foot pedal goes in. And it just went in there really easy. But I'm not going to use the foot pedal today. So I am going to turn the speed down, and I'm going to turn it on just to make sure it lights up. So there it is in the hand position. And there it is in the foot position, and it came on. So here is one of the drill bits that come with the nail drill. And so now I'm going to show you how to open and close the drill. So here we have it at the close, and then you're going to turn it clockwise to open it. All right, now it's open, so go ahead and put your drill bit in there, and it should just fit in there easily. And then you want to turn it counterclockwise to close it, and make sure that it's nice and secure in there before you start working with it. All right, so now I am going to turn the music off, and this way you guys can hear it. Okay. Higher. You see it says it's at full. Well, all the red boxes are filled up, but we're not even to the max yet. So let's go ahead and turn that all the way to max. So this is the sound of it at max capacity. It's pretty loud, but you know what? We'll see how it handles. Let's turn it down some. Let's turn it off. It's not off, but we went ahead and turned it all the way down. Let's put that to the side. All right, let's get this drill a try. Turn on my dust collector. Okay. I'm actually going to turn it down some because, like, really, I don't want to be doing it that high. It seems to handle really good. There's no jumping on it. So as you see, you guys, it's holding up. Let's go ahead and see how it is with, oh, here's my finger. Put that back on there. Alright, let's trim this fingernail down so see how that goes. That way. You can see it kind of slows down a little bit as I'm trying to, and that could be because of just the foul bit that I'm using. Let's try to turn it up a little bit and see if it'll cut that nail down any smoother. There we go, look at that. Look at that. It's awesome. And I'm even able to go back and forth with it without it like jumping and stuttering. I think you ladies out there know what I'm talking about. Or you nail techs. Can't just say just ladies. Okay. This was a nail I experimented on with some jewelry, with some glitter that I did. That's also in another video of how to use eyeshadow glitter for nails. You guys can check that out too. Alright. So all in all, this is a good drill. So you guys, I had this drill for a little over a year now, and honestly, it's still been working great. So right here, I'm just taking this drill bit out. But yeah, I just decided to go ahead and do an unboxing on it and just kind of show you guys how it really works. And right here, I'm just showing you guys how you always want to take the drill bit out when you're storing your drill, just in case it falls on the floor or something, and your drill bit's in there, it could ruin it. So just keep that in mind, and always make sure you try to put it in the holder that it comes with as well. Well, if you're looking for a nail drill, I'll put the affiliate link down in the description. If you use it, you'll really help support the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.